In my third lecture, I'll be looking at art in China in the decades immediately after 1949. For the Communist Party, this was new China, an entirely new society which swept away the oppression and miseries of the past and created a state fully at the service of the workers, peasants and soldiers. And Chinese artists of the 20th century had to deal for the first time with a government that took a great deal of interest in what they were doing, was prepared to support what they liked with considerable resources, but was also prepared to ban the art and silence the artists of which it didn't approve.